Hello everybody, welcome back and thanks for joining me. I'm just going to do a quick overview of my March 2019 Traveler's Notebook inserts. I have 4 of them, 2 standard size and 2 B6 size. So this is my handheld video that I decided to do this time, and you could see how just super duper colorful they are this time around. I went with Maggie Holmes paper. I don't remember the name of the collection, but it's like birthday themed. So there's like birthday cakes and cute animals and just like lots and lots of color. I used pom-poms, I used sari silk. Each journal kit is going to come with 2 pieces of authentic ephemera, and one of them is this envelope here. They're handwritten envelopes this time, and the other one is like a gas tax card. This is some fabric that is going to come with each journal, and you can see here on the side the pom-pom and the sari silk. But the journals also come with 6 little scrap pieces of decorative paper, and those are good for like creating journaling cards or tags or pockets or whatever you want. They come with 48 inches of the super colorful sari silk, so you can make altered paper clips with those. You could tie little bows on the pages. You could put them on the tops of tags. You could do pretty much whatever you wanted with that. You're gonna get a cute little button that coordinates with the colors of the journal. And let me think. Oh, so I also sewed a small textured wrapping paper pocket that you're gonna get with the kit. And I think that might be it. The journals have 40 my baby's being so silly. These journals have 40 mixed pages a piece, and they have 2 pockets on the inside, so you could tuck stuff in. There is vintage ledger paper, there's sheet music, there is some coffee dyed papers in these ones. There's pages from these old Sears catalogs. They're reprints, so they're not like the actual ones that are like super old. But yeah, they're pretty awesome. I love these ones. I love how colorful this is. I've really been enjoying working with the Maggie Holmes paper. And with the birthday paper, they're kind of significant to me and my family. We have a lot of birthdays in March. So I thought that was kind of like a fun personal touch that these journals have. Oh, I totally forgot. They also have a little altered clip. So there's like that little like resin rose or resin flower that you could see. So I made like a little bead charm on a paper clip, which is what I've been doing for these monthly inserts that I've done. So I hope to have these available today. It's Saturday, February 16th, I think. And yeah, once again, I have 4 available. There's 2 standard size ones. There's 2 B6 size ones. And yeah, I hope you guys like these. I really had fun making them. I like looking at them. And I've photographed them and everything. I just need to take pictures of them and write up the listings. And yeah, once again, if you follow me on Instagram, you will see when they will be available for purchase. But I think it's going to be today, probably within the next couple of hours. So yeah, thanks for watching and thanks for joining me, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.